I'm Michelle Gooden, the Acting Education Officer for Special Needs with Student Support Services Unit. As a part of its transformation agenda, the Ministry of Education, Technological and Vocational Training is hosting its Summer Professional Development Series.
This morning we are in the process of conducting a multisensory literacy workshop for teachers in the area of special needs education, for parent volunteers, and other persons working with students with exceptionalities.
Teachers will be creating manipulatives and resources which will cater to the needs of their students. These resources they will be able to take back to their classrooms and utilize.
The reason that this workshop is so critical at this time is that we are indeed finding that teachers, as it relates to having the skills that are needed to be able to help students develop a love for literacy, and as well as develop the skills that are needed, that is something that we believe that we need to work on.
We want to help our teachers to reach our students in an effective way so that all students can learn and achieve to their greatest potential, because we all need and want a bright future for every child.
My name is Cindy Brown and I am a teacher at the Irving Wilson School. The course has been rewarding as we started with the theoretical component, and in doing that we were exposed to a multisensory approach to learning as adults. After that, we were engaged with the making of manipulatives, materials to teach students in a multisensory way. And being here with other teachers and school assistants has opened up more ideas, and we learn from each other, and you discuss the different ways and approaches that we can have going forward to teach our children.
My name is Laura Nichols and I am a special education teacher at the Challenger School. With the literacy, we know that our students, we want them to be as literate as possible. We want them to be able to function in society. We want them to be able to be independent on things that they may be doing, especially those in the special needs department. And so I think that this workshop is very, very important for our teachers, not just teachers of students who may have special needs, but also their assistants, because the assistants are important in our classroom. They help the teachers and they help us, they make our jobs, I don't want to say easier, but it's more manageable within the classroom. And so I'm very thankful for this workshop.
It gives me great pleasure to be here this morning at the Multisensory Literacy Workshop. I see teachers here, school assistants, and other persons from private and public primary schools and special schools. They're learning about multisensory literacy, that is using their sight, their hearing, and different senses to get students more involved in their learning. And those senses also will be used in getting students to learn to read. And our drive at the Ministry of Education is to ensure that our children have quality education. It is about providing or creating a bright future for all. This is the reason we are seeking to have a fair, inclusive, relevant, and modern education system. These teachers are here today. This is the second day of their vacation, but they thought it fit. They saw it as important to come here and equip themselves with the knowledge and the skills to teach their students even better, and they must be commended for that. So again, the Ministry of Education, Technological and Vocational Training is at it in terms of creating a firm foundation for our students and creating a bright future for every child.